Hi everyone, welcome back to Mama's Nook for another DIY craft video. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Flowers and chocolates are traditional for Mother's Day. Today I'm putting a small arrangement together using artificial flowers and Ferrero Roche chocolates. You could switch it out with real flowers as well. Materials I will be using include this really cute little tin pot from Dollar Tree. Flowers, they're from Dollar Tree and from Temu. Some Oasis, tissue paper, elastic, Ferrero Rocher chocolates, a cardstock tag, which I created using print and cut with my Cricut, and some tulle. This is quick and easy to put together, so let's get started. I'm going to start by putting tissue paper and the Oasis and just pushing it down into the pot. And I'll just set that aside while I show you how I made the chocolate flowers. So this is a rosebud. That's just an artificial rosebud. I'm just going to separate it. And I'm going to bring in the stem part. Push it up through. And I'm just going to take the brown paper part off of the Ferrero Rocher and stick that right onto the plastic stem so it becomes the center of the rose. And I just arrange the petals around it. My second version of flower is to take 5 squares of tissue paper. I've cut these squares 4 inches. And I'm just going to crisscross them like this. And again, take a stem, push it up through the middle, and attach your Ferrero Rocher to the stem. And then just bring this up around. Okay, and I find it easier to remove the stem again and attach an elastic to hold the tissue paper up and around the chocolate. Get your leaves onto your stem. And put it back onto the chocolate. Now I've chosen pink and white because I'm doing this for Mother's Day. You could easily switch out the colors and create it for another occasion, such as a graduation or a birthday. So we'll bring our little pot back in. And I'll take this first pick that I have, and I'm not going to cut it apart. I'm just going to spread it open. And I'm going to fold this big stem part up. And now that I'm going to push down into the Oasis. So now I'm going to take my chocolate flowers that I've created and I'm just going to arrange them around the edge. Now I have these hearts. I picked these up at Valentine's Day at Dollar Tree. They will work well for this as well. And let's put a butterfly in. And we'll add our little tag. And I'm just going to take a little bit of tulle and just put it in around the edge. And it's all finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like. I would really appreciate your support. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.